Turn on Xiaohui Cloud Platform. Follow the prompts to register for an account. Fill in the correct information in order to pass the platform administrator's review. Use a network cable to connect to the device directly. Turn on HD player. The bottom left corner of the software will show the device information. Click Settings, Cloud Server. Enter the address of Xiaohui Cloud Server and the register username. Click the device and click OK. After logging in, you will enter the device management interface by default. Green color on device means the device is online. Each device that comes online is in the ungrouped list by default. Click More in All to add subgroups. Select a device and click Setup Group to assign the device to the appropriate group. Once a device is grouped, you can set the group to be multiplied by a sub-user. Click on the Details button to enter the device details screen. This interface allows you to view basic information such as the device networking method, play state, etc. You can view the content of the programs that have been published by the device in the release record. Program information allows you to select programs on the device for deletion and other operations. Before you publish a program through Xiaohui Cloud, you need to upload the required source. Click Source. Click Upload Resource button to upload source. Click Program to enter the program list after uploading. You can preview, edit, and publish the program. Click New Program, define the program name, set the screen width, and so on. Enter the program editing interface. After creating the new program, Xiaohui Cloud supports publishing multiple types of programs such as videos, image, and so on. Add video program. You can drag the playback area to change the playback position. By click Add on the right to add the upload source. Drag clips to change the playback order. Add photo program. Click Save, Close. Return to the program list screen. Check the program and click Send. Program release defaults to Add Update. Keep the original program on the device and add a new program at the end. Flip the switch to Full Update. Delete all programs on the device and keep only the new programs that are currently released. Check the device and click Send. Once the release is confirmed, click on the task to view the program delivery status. We need to use the program list function to send multiplied programs to multiplied devices. Click Program List in the Program Management interface to create a new program list and set the basic information such as name, screen width, and so on. Add devices that need to be set uniformly and read back the resolution automatically. Create a new program in the program list or add an already edited program. Click Publish or Synchronize Program List when you are done adding. The differences between the two is that batch release programs will remain on the device and new programs will be added to the device. Synchronize Program List. All programs on the device will be cleared and only the programs in the existing program list will be kept. The program list only supports adding devices with the same resolution, commonly used for multiple screens of the same size, such as advertising machines and light pole screens.